For the virus recognition using electron microscope images, I will start with hantavirus. Right now, I'm trying to detect the virus. So, just a sample with the other viruses. Recognize it. So, whatever the accuracy is less than 35%, I'm marking it as negative. So this hantavirus image is negative now. So we will check with the coronavirus images. Let's take this. So you can see for corona image, it made positive with 48% of accuracy. Let's try with Ebola. So we'll take JPG. So you can see it's negative with accuracy of 7%. Thank you.